Hey guys, Mrs. PIB and myself are over at Gas Axe Chop Shop, 10 Mile, Tennessee, with Mr. Tim Dixon. And I'm going to go back here and see. Man, check out this old Ford. This was a Ford pickup truck. Yeah, Econoline. You can tell it was a pickup truck. Kind of like the old Corvair truck, ramp trucks, I think they called them. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Anyway, that old parts truck Mrs. PIB and I bought that was wrecked, I think Tim has stuck it back here somewhere. Did you see it? Oh, there it is. We're going to see what parts are left on it, which it's not much, but we'll check anyway. Kind of working on left turn bill a little bit. I'm just going to see what's left on the truck. That way, instead of me buying a duplicate of something, because I can't remember what we've took off and what we haven't. But boy, this sure has been a dandy truck as far as giving off parts to donate to other good causes. That's a good headlight bezel if we ever needed one. It's split right there, but I was looking for yep, that steering box is gone. It's got some good wiper arms. Let's see what else is. No, not a lot. This is all the stuff that came out of Billy James, huh? Probably like this one's been painted. Yeah, it's been painted. It's not too much. I'm always having to buy these things, and right there's me one right there. Hold this for just a minute, and you can look around the truck. Let me see if I can take this off. Ta-da! Still donating parts. Let's see. There was something else I was... Somebody had it out of gear.
That window's down a little. Will it roll up?
I don't know. I'm gonna... Oh, this one? Yes. I don't know if it will or not.
Why, yeah. A little bit better than it was.
Well, that other side's completely open.
Oh. Well.
So it probably won't do much good, but who knows? But dang, here's another old Chevrolet truck I didn't even know was back here. I guess Tim has put all the retirees back here in the back.
Is that mirror any good?
Yeah, it is. Well, this, no, I
and
think
it's tight.
It's missing this here. Wherever I go, there's always a plane. I don't know if you can see it or not. Must be following me around. I think there's supposed to be a plastic, I'm sorry, rubber piece that goes in here. But that's still a decent mirror. Seemed like I was needing a door handle, and this one's not broke, so I'll snag it. It's not doing nothing anyway, except sitting here. Well, still donating parts, isn't it? Oh yeah, coat hooks. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. There's a back glass so if we ever need one. And a windshield. I don't know if I told you or not, I might have in another video, but Mrs. PIB was telling me that, of course y'all, I'm sure you know this already, but while I'm here I'll check out this one. everything's going up, like at LMC and some of these places. I don't know what year this old Chevrolet truck is, but I'm assuming late 30s, early 40s maybe, something like that. Well, dang, there's no, I guess you'd still call them Dodsons. I'm not going to get off in there, but anyway, pretty cool stuff. I think that's that old wrecked one that, see, it's all dinged up. It ain't no good. Huh? I think so. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Okay, I'm trying to watch my step. There's some deep holes in this grass in some spots, but I'm behind Gas Axe Chop Shop here. And I'm trying to locate the bed that came off ooh-wee, fire ants. The bed that came off the Billy James. I think it's got some bed chrome on it. That's cool, ain't it? Oh, thanks. Mrs. PIB's pointing out fire ants so I don't step in them. That's cool old Mercury, isn't it? This is what Half-Ass Customs on YouTube. He's got a 4-door and pretty cool cars. I always thought they was. Tim's in the vans. Hey, by the way, you can find Tim on Facebook. Gas Axe Chop Shop. In 10 Mile, Tennessee, he's on Facebook. Axe is A-X-E. I've done videos on these before. Old 49 Ford. I'm trying to look at the... Did you find it? No trim. Okay.
This bed's in better shape than that trim is.
Yeah, but it's the wrong bed. Where? Oh yeah, by golly, there is a drive shaft, isn't there? I might have to throw that in the back of the truck. Yeah, they were messed up. Remember, swapped them out. The fenders and everything. Decent old tailgate. 2007, Georgia. Georgia State supporter. 2007. Anyway, yeah, I might want to snag that drive shaft. Oh, grill, it's busted up. Well, I thought there was some bed trim on here, but there is not. So, guess that's the end of that. Yeah. I wonder if this, I might take that with me. That might come in handy. Just to have, wait a minute. See, all the chrome is on the fenders. I've already got chrome on the fenders. Well, I happened to be in the area and thought that I'd stop in just for a minute just to check it out. Anyway, I'll grab this drive shaft just to have, I guess, and I don't really see too much else to... Yeah, there's some more of that trim.
Wonder what this held.
Probably an inspection sticker, I don't know. Well, we're just wasting...
Probably whoever used this to put the...
Oh, that spray foam?
Yeah.
All this stuff was in Billy James, the spray foam and all the other stuff too. So
That's how not to fix
that's how not to do it. Whoever done this didn't know what they was doing. I would have made it real smooth and okay, well, let me grab this drive shaft. I'll let you. Well, I'll see you in a